Assalamu alaikum learners. I'm going to show you some more features in our people page. This is your people page. There are a few roles appear here. Two roles are as a student and one role is as a teacher. Now I'm discussing more features on this same page. Once your course is published, user receive an invitation to the course. Users who have not yet accepted the course invitation display a pending status like this. And to resend course invitation for pending users, you can click on recent link at the top of the page. This is resend link. Okay, you can also click this link to resend the request. Users who are inactive in the course display an inactive status, and inactive students allow you to view users prior activity in the course but does not allow the student to access the course. Total activity is given here. Here is no activity given because this student is in pending status. Now here you can see different option buttons, 3 dots. When you click on these option buttons, you can have various options here. First of all, resend invitation. This resend invitation means if your student hasn't accepted any request, you can resend him an invitation so that he can, maybe there is some issue with his ID or receiving emails after resending invitation, may he accept your invitation. Edit section. Suppose your student is moved from this section A to this section, then you can edit their sections by enter section name. You can browse. You have computer B boys, computer 10. I am shifting this student to the computer B boys. Now he is shifted to computer B boys and I am cancelling this student from A boys. Okay, now update the section. Now he is the student of computer B boys. He is no more in computer A boys. Next option is edit role. Suppose this student is now observer or designer or some or you have added some email ID as student and you want to change its role. You can change the role from here. Then user details. You can see user details from here. All user details from here. Okay. Then deactivate user. Now you want your user to not participate in any of the activity, you can deactivate this user. After that is remove from the course, and this is new analytics. It will show all the participation of your student. Okay. Right now as student hasn't appeared in any quiz or course, it will taking time. You can see this browsing data or loading data, so it will appear like this: weekly online activity, communication, course grade. It will all appear like this, and you can also download it in the form of CSV. You can also see context card of the student by clicking on the name of the student. This is the context card of the student. Computer Science 10, section B boys, grade, how much grade, missing, late. Participation, his participation is none. He has viewed 2 pages, and this is moderate. And you can message this user. Okay, you can message this user. Subject participation, poor participation. I'm copying this, and again you can write a complete message here and send message. Your message was sent. Okay, Now he will receive the message in his email box. Okay, this is how you can see the context card of the student.